you ever been cleaning and come across something that you just totally forgot you had? Well, I did, and I came across something that I'm going to say is very rare. Most of you have forgotten about it, and the rest of you didn't even know it existed. Ta-da! A $2 bill. That's right, a $2 bill. When I saw it, this song by blues singer Johnny Taylor immediately came to mind. And it goes, "These last $2, I'm not gonna lose. One's going for my bus fare, other one for the jukebox to hear me some blues." Then, of course, I had to think about customers. How rare our customers are, how rare our loyal and dedicated customers are. And so, I wonder, if your customers are down to their last $2, are they going to spend it with you, or with your competition, or are they going to put it in a jukebox? I'm just asking. As always, thanks for sharing 60 Seconds with Sandra.